Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by horinga.co.in. Today we are going to discuss about Balaji Amines. The ticker name is Bala Amines, but the stock name is Balaji Amines. Okay, we are going to do the technical analysis for Balaji Amines, and right now what you're seeing is the monthly technical chart of Balaji Amines, along with a few technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, ATX, Darwas, super trend, moving average, zigzag, etc. etc. Okay, I'm using all these technical indicators to do the technical analysis for this particular stock. Okay, first we look at the price trend path of Balaji Amines. You see, I have data here since 2007 onwards for this particular stock up to 2017 October 31st. Okay, and this stock was, I mean, the lowest point as far as I am seeing here is in 2008. In 2009 February, and that time it was trading at 9 rupees 80 paise. Okay, approximately. And after that, there is a slight increase, upward movement. There is a slight upward movement, and the stock uh, uh, into up to 2010, and after that the stock started moving in sideways until 2014. 2010 to 2014, the stock was just moving sideways, and again there is a slight upward movement, and again. Okay, so that means after 2000 February 2014, this stock started making new highs. See this one, this one, this one, and right now it is in the consolidation phase. That's what I are seeing. After 2015, every time after the stock reaches a new peak, it went for a consolidation phase, and again a new peak, again consolidation, again new peak, and again consolidation. Okay, now again it started going in a, again it started going in upward direction. So today on October 31st, this particular stock has been in the news for its price rise, and we will see whether this the recent spike in the price of this particular stock is consistent. Is going to be consistent in the next coming few months for a long-term investment strategy. Okay, first we look at the moving averages. Okay, this particular stock has crossed the 50-day moving average. Very good. And okay, super trend. Okay, right now it is under the positive super trend mode. Very good. And it just now, in only in this month, in October, it crossed the 10-day moving average. That's what you can see here. 10-day moving average, it just crossed the 10-day moving average. Yeah, and now look at the RSI. RSI is RSI is uh, past the top line 80 and 80 line, and it is going to make a huge slope here. Actually, the angle in which it cut through the top 80 line is quite vertical, and I'm pretty sure that it is going to be, I mean, this the next coming price rise is going to be so high. I mean, it looks like that at this moment. So I think this is a very strong indication that the price rise will be is going. I mean, will be consistent for the next few months. I mean, definitely, I am pretty sure this particular stock will cross 600 in the next coming few months. I mean, or in the near future. Okay. That's what this particular angle, the way the RSI graph is cutting through the top 80 line is telling us. Now, look at the MACD. MACD, the signal has just crossed the red line, and it is on top of the red line here. If you can see this part, and look at the histogram bars. Just now, this bars are started populating on top of the baseline. All these indicators are good, but the strength is a little bit weak here. Okay, now look at the momentum. Here you can clearly see that momentum graph has passed through the baseline, and it is going vertically up, nearly vertically near. Actually, it is it is not making a 90-degree angle, but it is like near to that. So we need this kind of momentum graph. Why? Because this kind of graph, this thing clearly indicates clearly indicates and supports the price momentum of the stock. That means the upward price momentum of the stock here. and the stock and the price that is going to increase, going to get increased in the next coming few months. Now look at the ADX. ADX, the green line is on top of the red line, very good, and both lines are diverging. That is a good signal. And again, look at the signal, directional strength index of the stock, directional strength line of the stock. Here, this has come down a little bit, but right now it is making a, if you look at the tip, it is making a new slope. I mean, it is making a parallel line here. So that indicates, I mean, not, we cannot take only this particular thing. We have to take the whole thing. What other points the indicator, this particular indicator tells us. Now, if you take the whole thing, then ADX, along with other indicators like momentum and RSI, are very strong, are very bullish, are showing bullish signals for this particular stock. Whereas MACD just started showing that bullish signal for this particular stock. So that means we can clearly, come to a conclusion that this particular stock has is showing the bullish trend right now, and the price is going to be up in the going to be up, and in the next coming few months also, and the price rise is will be consistent in the next coming few months also. So the conclusion is, uh, this is the right time, to invest in this particular stock if you are not invested so far, and if you have already invested, it definitely might have benefited a lot, using, from this stock. So this particular stock is good for long term investment. That is the conclusion. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.